Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
Howdy, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical
And
therapist.
together we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Today we're going to actually, I know this is a golf channel, Brad.
No.
But I'm going to show two simple exercises to help your golf swing. I'm a golfer.
Right.
And I like these two exercises. I thought, it's physical, it's therapy. Here we go.
And I think if you're not a golfer like me and you are going to get into it someday, it'll be good training.
Good introduction.
And actually, it's just good range of motion for that trunk and everything. So
it is. It's good thoracic range of motion.
There you go.
So
what about this, Bob?
we're doing a giveaway this week, and we're doing the eye massager.
Look at that. You put this on, it heats up, it gives you compression, it gives a massage, has a little bit of relaxing music, and it is a wonderful little tool.
The study has shown that it's really good for dry eye.
Yeah, absolutely. So I don't have dry eye, but I used it and I fell asleep.
Did you really?
Yeah, it was very relaxing. I mean, I thought it was kind of like silly until I tried it. So it's a nice little deal.
You need another machine to slap you and wake you up.
Well, yeah, my wife does that.
She does that. Okay. All right. So very simple. You're going to need a dowel or a pole or something
Could you use a golf club?
You could use a golf club, but you don't want to pull on it too hard. You could bend the golf club, but you could use a golf club.
Those don't bend. I thought they're
like a driver.
Really?
I mean, if you really.
Well, I know I could, but.
So
I could bend it.
But yeah, I know you could. All right. So we're going to say the Booyah stick because it's very nice and smooth, very comfortable on your shoulders. And
you won't break it.
We're going to increase spinal mobility, especially thoracic rotation. That's where you want motion. And we're also going to maintain spine angle. Brad is not a golfer, but this is by what I mean. I'm leaning forward. My shoulders are a little bit in front of my feet. If I run what's it called?
Plumb bob?
Plumb bob, yeah. It's a little in front of my feet.
So here
I'm keeping my back straight, right?
Is your back straight? We'll put the Booyah stick. There we go. It looks good.
There we go.
Excellent.
So then I'm going to put this up on my shoulders. And this is where I'm going to work on thoracic mobility. So I'm turning my shoulder like this. And I can see, it's funny, I can see that I'm tighter to the left.
And so the feet are shoulder width apart, and your heels stay planted to the ground.
Yeah, for this exercise.
Okay.
Now, in real life, you'd probably go like this.
In a golf swing, you do have some move, but not for this.
Right. You are shifting your feet while you're doing this. I'm shifting to the right. I'm shifting to the left.
And it's okay to move the hips.
Right. The hips should move with your turn.
Yep. Now, I like this from a therapist point of view because this locks your shoulder blades and your back in really good posture, and it keeps that there. And I'm assuming that's what the desire, the goal is when you swing with the golf
The
club.
other thing is you don't want to, like it would go down like this and you come up, you don't want to lift up like this. You want to maintain that spine angle the entire time. That's the key because a lot of people get in that habit when they're swinging the club, they go like this.
Sure.
They move out.
Yep.
The other thing they do is they'll shift their weight and they'll actually shift their whole body over. So you're working on keeping your body still, maintain that straight, upright posture. And you got to do this in front of a mirror, Brad.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. A mirror, or you have someone holler at you. Talk to you and give you some feedback.
Holler at you.
This is a really good idea for golfers up here in the north when it's 18 below zero and you want to maintain some
motion. You're feeling the bug and you can't swing your club in the house. I've hit the ceiling many times. So the other one is actually a little variation of this. You're actually going to cross your arms over your chest like this. Just gives you a little bit different feedback. And you're trying to get that mobility in the thoracic area and open up the chest.
All right, it's important that you breathe and relax with this.
Yes. Well, when you're golfing, you're not relaxing. And the problem is you're thinking about 25 different things to swing.
Aren't you just thinking about hitting the ball?
No, I wish it was that simple, Brad. So that's it. Very simple. I know this is for you non-golfers out there, but it actually isn't the worst thing to do.
No, it definitely loosens up that upper back, and it's a good stretch.
Right. All right. Thanks for watching.
Good luck with the golf game.